This video will go over how to unschedule samples that have been planned in event management. For more information on event management, please refer to our Event Management and Field Data Chem Field Tutorials playlist, linked in the description. It is important to update sample statuses so that the correct information appears in the Event Status Chemistry Detail Report. Let's open it by going to Reports, Event Tracking Reports, Event Status Chemistry Detail. We'll choose our project and event and click View Report. For more detailed information on this report, please refer to our Event Tracking Reports Overview video, linked in the description. If we scroll to the right, we can see that some of these samples have a sampling status of sampled, while others have a status of scheduled. For this example, we were planning on collecting these scheduled samples, but did not end up doing so. We can unschedule them by updating the sampling status and adding a remark to explain what happened. To update these, let's go to Tools, Data, Event Management. On the Assign Field Samples tab, we'll make sure we have the correct project and event selected, then click Add Edit Samples. The information in this interface was entered previously. Let's select all of the locations in the dropdown so they show up in the grid below. On the right, we can see the sampling status column. Select the row for each sample that has a status of scheduled. Then, you can use the sampling status dropdown in the upper right to choose a new status. Options like Dry Well, No Access, or Unscheduled may be appropriate. We'll choose Unscheduled, then click the plus button to apply the new status to the selected rows. Alternatively, if the option you want isn't in the dropdown, you can type in a custom status. Let's add some remarks to clarify what happened. For this first example, we'll say, Bottle broke in transit. For this second example, we'll say, Well was iced over. This is also helpful in cases where a sample was originally going to be analyzed for several methods, but for various reasons, one method was dropped from the analysis. For example, let's say that our 466S sample won't be analyzed for method SW6020A because a container broke and there was not enough sample available. We will update the remark to Not Analyzed for SW6020A. Now that we've made our updates, let's click Save Changes. Close the interface and return to the Event Status Chemistry Detail Report. In order for our new sampling statuses to show up, we'll need to refresh the page and rerun the report. You can see the sampling status and remarks have been updated to reflect the new information we entered in Event Management. Now, we can see at a glance why these samples do not have any data, and why some won't have lab data for certain methods. We know exactly what happened and don't have to worry about whether they slipped through the cracks. Don't forget to subscribe to the FUDSChem YouTube channel for more tutorial videos. All of the tutorials and playlists mentioned during this video are linked in the description below. Lastly, if you have questions or comments, feel free to contact us at fuds.support@synaptics.net. Thank you.